Hey guys, it's another video from EverTech TV. Alright, so today we have another quick one for you. Alright, so what we want to do is programmatically change our soft keyboard. Alright, so we want to change it to a number pad, we want to change it to an alphabetical pad, we want to change it to a contact or a phone pad, whatever it is. Alright, so today this is what we're gonna do. Alright, so as you know, it's JA Rentals. We're currently working on this project. Alright, so this is what we want to do. Alright, so let me run this up so you can see exactly what is going on here. And desired functionality that I would want to achieve. Alright, so while this load up, guys, I want to say please subscribe to my channel, like my videos. This is how you support the channel to, for me to be encouraged to put out more videos like these. Alright, so go into the account section, creating, what we want to do is, alright, so we currently have one view controller for description. So when we go in it, when we enter it, we will see where it says we can enter a description, and it automatically comes up with this keyboard for us. Alright, so if you want to know how to automatically pop up a keyboard, while you can just set the IB outlet, which is the text view. Alright, so this IB outlet, which is the text view, you just set it as that become first responder. So this normally just let the keyboard pop up as you enter that view controller. Alright, so that's beside the point. However, previously when we hit save, it will show that we have saved it. However, we want to now add a contact, and we don't want to create a new view controller for that contact. So we want to modify our description, our description text view, so we can add the contacts using this. So we want to change this keyboard layout. Alright, so that is the desired functionality that I want. So let us jump right into code. Alright, so this is where we would come from. We would create a navigation controller to push the view controller to the description view controller, which is this is this view controller. Alright, sorry, not feeling so well. Oh my, this can't be good. Sorry about that. Alright, so what I did prior to now was the case section. I'm in a table view, so this would be the 12th position on the index part at array. Alright, within that table view. So I already create some parameters. Well, a parameter in the description view controller to identify whether I am coming from, whether I want to use a phone contact or no. So I just create the variable here and initialize it to false. So going to the view controller, I would just say to description view that is contact, phone contact, and I would set it to true here, so that the view controller will set that value. But in the case 13, you see where I didn't set any value, so it will remain as false. So it will know that I want to add a description rather than a phone contact. Alright, and I set the title, phone number, and description. Alright, so jumping over to the description, this is where the action will be done. So it is very simple in the view.load. In the view did load, I will just write a simple if statement saying if is phone contact is equal to true, then I will set on the text view that keyboard type, right, equal dot, and you see all all the functions that you can add here, or the types that you can add here. So because I could use number pad, but because I'm more focusing on the phone number aspect, I will use a phone pad. Alright, so with that done, then I should now have the phone pad. However, there is one more thing. If I just let this remain as is, then I will keep overwriting the values for the description array, so I have to save them differently. So in the save button, I will just add an if statement again. So if is phone contact equal true, then I want to save this. So let me see, what should I copy? So I could copy this here, do the relevant saving. If you don't want to have excess line of codes here. Alright, and then I'll put an else statement to say save this. Alright, so the difference is the position that is brought over, that will be set to the value. So this one should be 12 and this one should be 13. Alright, so with that said, we should be good to go from here. Alright, so proper spacing, remember, for each operation. Alright, so once we do that, let's run the code now and see if it works. And just again, guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, to my channel for more and more of these videos. Alright, so as it loads here, let's try it out. Create post car, and let us set the description. Description would say this is an excellent car, and press save. Now when we hit contact, you would see, alright, so this is the problem that we're having. This is an excellent car. However, the action worked. As you can see, the button, the number pad changed. Alright, so if we write 876, which is a Jamaica error code, and press save, then you will see the relevant thing here. So what we now have to do is, fix that error, so we can have, see, it keeps replacing here. Fix that relevant code so we can have the appropriate thing here. But that could be done behind the scenes. Alright, so thank you very much for watching another video. Won't waste any more of your time. That is how you change your number pad or alphabetical pad to a number pad or phone pad. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.